Hi friends, today I wanted to do some vlogging, and actually this is going to be different days during the week of things that I was doing. So I figured I would show you guys what I do on the days that I'm not recording. So let's begin this vlog. So today I'm going to be harvesting some lavender and chamomile. It is a beautiful warm day today, so it's the perfect time to harvest my lavender and my chamomile. Look at how beautiful and bright purple this lavender is. Beautiful. And here's my chamomile. And I have another chamomile plant here as well. And I harvest my chamomile every day, and when you pull out the little flower, it smells like apple. It smells so good. But I love to harvest these and dry them so that way when the fall comes around, we have some chamomile tea. And let me tell you, it tastes so good. Here we have some spearmint, and I like to dry this as well to make tea with it. But I also use it fresh like this when I do my lemon cucumber water. It's so good and refreshing when you make it with lemon, cucumbers, and ice. And then this is just some lemon balm that I will be harvesting as well. And look at Priscilla's strawberries. She's getting in a lot of strawberries. That dog, she loves her strawberries. I'll show you guys a little later. She enjoys her strawberries. I'm making some juice for us, and I just get whatever fruits and vegetables we have around in the house, and I make some juice. So here are my herbs. I have some dill, thyme, rosemary. I have the spearmint, some lavender, and the lemon balm. Look at how beautiful that lavender is. And can I tell you, these herbs smell amazing. And then here is some more of that spearmint that I've been drying. And I also have some chives here that I'm drying. And there's my chamomile. I actually have a dehydrator, but I didn't feel like taking it out today. I just figured I'd just dry them like I used to. And then this is an herb that's called epazote, and I like to tie it like this and then just hang them so they can dry. And then this is some sage, the dill, and then I have a little bit of basil in that little corner there. It smells so good. But this is one of my favorite things to do. And then here is a couple ways to dry your lavender. You can just pull off the little buds and dry them just like this and have them like that. But I'm going to dry it in a bundle. And I just tie some of this cotton rope around my stems, and then I just hang it to dry. That's the old school way of doing it. I didn't want to bring out again my dehydrator, so I'm just doing it the way I used to before I had the dehydrator. And it doesn't take long for them to dry, especially if you don't do big bundles. See, just like this. And then here's my chamomile.
Go with Papa. Go with Papa. Go get your strawberry. Go with Papa.
Strawberry? You want that strawberry?
You can come on this side, Mom.
That's okay.
Oh, she ate it with all the green and everything. Oh, thank goodness.
She sniffs for more. She's like,
And she's got another strawberry there. Look at that. She's got more strawberries.
More coming out.
Oh, I know she's gone. Oh, Mama's over.
You wanna go swimming?
Oh, there's another one right there.
Here.
Priscilla.
Look, baby. Look. Come here.
That's one.
Oh,
She's,
she goes
look,
up here.
she came over here.
Give it to her.
Go.
Go, I'm from give her her,
Give it to her.
her strawberry.
Go with
That's
Uncle.
her
Go with
goodness.
Uncle.
Strawberry, come on. Chicha,
Go.
let's get your strawberry.
And you could just
Look
take it right from the stem.
at she's right
Eat the
here.
whole thing.
Hey,
Do it,
look at.
silly. Hey, look. Look, Mama. Come over here.
Well, she's gonna eat it right here. She said.
Ooh.
Mmm. She's like, yeah, whatever, Uncle. I know you didn't eat it.
Oh, she ate her strawberries.
Strawberry. Oh, there's the first one. Yeah. It's coming out.
Oh yeah.
First one.
Mira, look. Did you see this chile poblano? Look at how big it is. Look at.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
And then here's another one.
Oh, we're taking pictures.
And then these right
Those
here.
are ready already.
Ooh,
pick.
those are so good, too.
Look at the chile de árboles.
look.
Wow, there's a lot.
Look at the ties.
Let me see. Oh yeah, right
There's a whole
there.
bunch of them.
Yeah, see, these are the chiles de árbol.
Here, holy moly.
These will turn red. They're chile de árbol.
On the bottom, there's a whole bunch.
There's a whole bunch in there.
Oh, yeah.
We trimmed that bush all the way back.
And then look at the serranos, Mel, right here. Ooh, there's a few here.
Oh,
The serranos.
I like the picture. Wow.
On this day, I decided to do a lemon blueberry bundt cake, and I got this recipe off of TikTok, but I did change it up just a little bit because it asked for 3 cups of sugar, and I thought that was too much sugar, so I did 2.5 cups of sugar. And then also, when I baked this, my bundt pan was not as big as I needed it to be. So I think I might have overcooked it just a little bit, but it was still delicious. And then you're going to put this in a cold oven at 375 for about an hour and 20 minutes. And so here are my blueberries. I'm just putting some flour on them. That way when you put it in the batter, they don't all sink to the bottom. And then there's my butter, and it called for salted butter. I didn't have any. I had unsalted, so I just added a little bit of salt to it. I'll put the original recipe on the link below, on the description box below, and then I'll put some notes on what I added on there, how I modified it. That way, if you want to try it my way or the way the original person did theirs. And then I don't show you how I do the glaze because we went to dinner and I didn't have a chance to record me making the glaze, but I will leave the recipe for the glaze as well on the description box below. So in the original recipe, it doesn't call for lemon zest in the batter, but I wanted to add the lemon zest in the batter because I wanted that lemon flavor in my batter. So this is optional. You don't have to do this part. And then also, if you're going to bake this bundt cake, I would say use a bigger bundt pan. I didn't realize that they weren't the same size, and so this one was a little smaller, therefore it took a little longer to bake. And it wasn't really dry, but it wasn't as moist as I would like it to be. And into the cold oven it goes.
Did you see how she threw it in there herself?
So here is my bundt cake. Doesn't it look pretty? And it looks nice just like this, but I had to put the glaze on there, and I think it still looked very pretty. And it was really delicious as well. I really did like this recipe. Maybe next time I'll use a bigger and deeper bundt pan. I used the smaller one, lesson learned, but this was a really good bundt cake recipe that I found on TikTok. All right, moment of truth. Time to cut the cake. Look at how pretty this cake looks. Look at those blueberries. This cake was delicious. Anyways, friends, I want to thank you for spending some time with me, and I hope you guys give this recipe a try. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, friends.